Welcome to section 6 of Basics of Human Face.
Something's wrong in this pic. Yeah, the blue dye on the hair doesn't work. But that's not the point. When you saw this image, the first thing which hit your mind was obviously the hairs. Why not the other parts? Where are his eyes? Why are they missing? Why is his mouth incomplete? Or all such other doubts were not at all inside your head. Then why these hairs? It's obvious the first thing which overshadows a personality is your hairs. So let's start how to draw these hairs. I'll just erase this off. As you can see here, I have put a rough outline of a human face without hairs. It doesn't look that good, right? So the hairs add very important detail to human. They help in differentiating one person to other person. Sort of curly hairs, straight hairs, wavy hairs. There are many forms of hairs. So let's focus on simple hairs. Like we are trying to resemble a straight line in form of hairs. As a beginner, all you need to do is need not expertise all these sort of different hairs. Just focus on how to arrange the set of lines in order to make them look like hairs. The hair will to begin with, I'll be using a different pen here. There are certain regions where the hair looks fluffy, and there are certain regions where the hair doesn't look fluffy. It will be shortened the most of the time. Since I am doing it on male subject, I am trying to do it for male person. It will be simple. Uh, Start with basic outline. All I am trying to do here is put an outline to the hair. And that's how the hair looks like. And once you get the outline, it will be easy for you to fill in the detail. But the tricky part is you won't draw a bald person before putting the hairs on. Now let's start to focus on hair strand. What I did here was a line segment. This looks like a line, but we are trying to do a hair strand. So first point to note down is when you do a hair, the two end will be not of the same thickness. That means that one end will be bit thick and other end will not be that thick. It will be very thin. As you can see, one part will be darker and this will be lighter. So this is how we draw a single strand of hair. To get this thing, all you need to do is when you're using a pencil, apply pressure on the paper and drag. Apply pressure on the paper, drag, 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 drag. That's how you get that line effect. Now, once you get the outline right of the hair, this is just a replica of this thing here. All you need to do here is apply on one pressure on the one end, drag. The direction should be where you intend to drag it. Here I'm trying to keep the direction towards ground. Here the direction will be horizontal, so apply the pressure, drag. Apply the pressure, drag. And for the beginners, there will be another confusion how to fill this entire thing. It's simple. All you need to do is do parallel lines or near parallel lines, and first fill in the blank space. Next, try to drag in this direction. Imagine this is the parallel strand. Try to drag it parallelly so that it will give that effect. And once you start, the middle part should be just filled with the line segments. It need not be like exact hair thing. Just do with lighter hairs, that will work. Only the initial part has to be taken care of, where you have to apply a lot of pressure and get the darker tone here. And moving to the next part, once you fill in this part, there is another thing, the side locks. Side locks should always be filled with black color. They should not have any gaps like the way we have here or here. It should be completely filled. You just see what I'm trying to do here. Apply pressure, drag, apply pressure, drag. And that's how you do hair.